Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I have here a GM Flip key. I'm sure you guys are familiar with these. A lot of you may own a car that uses this style key. The thing is, you don't need a locksmith to program this for you if you already have an existing key. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. In this case, I have a 2014 Chevy Malibu that I'm programming this for a dealership. And the car only came with this key. Maybe your car also only has this key, or you already have a working one and you just want another one. A couple things you can do is buy one of these from a dealership already cut and program it yourself. That way you save money on the programming. Or you can buy one of these, on Amazon, eBay, AutoZone, any place that carries them. Take it to a locksmith, they can duplicate it for you, and then you program it. That way you save some money on the programming. I'm going to show you how to do it. It is incredibly simple. So you take the working key you already have, insert it in the ignition, turn the car on, pay attention to that immobilizer light up there. As soon as it turns off, take the key out, grab your unprogrammed key, put it in the ignition, and turn the vehicle on. And that's how you program it. Watch the immobilizer light, it's off. And this key does not have a separate remote programming function. The remote is programmed, as you can see, right there. So you don't need to do anything else, and you save yourself some money. Hope this helps.